Uh-oh. What's that, Gavin?
This is a crane truck.
Wow. We're from school and then you have like that? What is that? What's the name?
This is called crane truck for construction.
Wow. May I see? May I see?
Can
Wow.
remove this to
So
become one
nice.
pieces.
This one.
Yes.
Wow. Just like so cool.
Look.
Yeah, we have to check this. You have, you can remove like this. Okay, the name. What's the name?
This.
From daiso, assembly working vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
You can open now.
Yeah.
Unboxing the toys. Are you happy? Auntie allow you to do that, but what's next? Should we do the...
Do that.
What?
Do
Do your... Oh, what is this? What is this?
This is the homework bag.
Okay. Oh, cool. May I see? May I see? Wow, so nice. Oh, how many divide? Wow, only 3 parts? Only 3 parts, Gavin? Only 3 parts, Gavin?
Everyone, you can
Wow.
transform this to our transformer. We can transform what you want.
Like that. The way you want. Nice. Wow. Wow, so many pieces. I thought only 3 parts. And then what you can do for by there?
This one can become like this.
Only car. Just look like car. And then that one is just like pick up. And then like wow, so cool. It's not too expensive, but it's okay, right, Bang? Oh. Are you happy?
It's so cool.
Yeah, but remember, you have to tidy up after playing so that mommy will not angry to us. And then if you like that, it's like if you not put that one, the leaf, what do you call this? This is a
Look.
that one. What do you call it? Have like this, Bang?
This called hook something.
Yeah, you have. I forgot the name.
I also forgot.
Oh, wow, cool.
Baby.
What else? The other
What?
toys there in the store, like this also. They have different, like truck like that, but also can remove.
Everyone I buy in this store, and then I see others after remove. I can see even the water tank truck
Also have there. So if you are a good boy, Auntie promised to buy for you. Yeah. I can talk to mommy to buy.
Auntie, look back.
If you are a good boy.
Auntie, look backward.
Wow, so nice. Can you put in the garbage the boxes, please? Thank you. Wow. Thank you, baby. Oh, you want to put there? It's okay because that is... You already forget to read those words. The Chinese, babe. Are you still remember? Do you still remember those words? Why so long time? So big. Okay, very good. Wow, so cool. So that's for now. That's it. Pansit. Gavin is playing again. He's so excited every time he has a new toys. Oh my God! Can you pick it up? Pick it up first. Wow.
You can put in the
Do you find it cool, right?
You put in the
Look so happy. Yeah, the way you can. Very nice. And the plastic also okay. It's still not like so cheap, right, babe? But that one should be not like that because that's from the front. You should fix that to the front, that one, because this is the driver. My God. Oh, so cool. Daiso is really good also. Okay, okay.
You can see also can lift.
Wow, cool. Okay.
And her.
Yeah, this is the unboxing of the toy.
And her. Put back.
Yeah, very nice.
This is the front one. This is the black.
Yeah.
Maybe I forgot this one. This one. This one.
You can fix it for the final view. Because we have to do the assignment, so we have to say goodbye for now.
Goodbye for now.
Yeah, but at least you fix first and then have a final view of that kind of toy. That's the view of that. Yeah, okay. Wow, very nice. You can see that, guys. Gavin's toys. Wow.
Can move.
Okay na. Okay. Hold. Say bye-bye to them.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Baby, bye-bye.
Thanks for
Bye-bye.
watching.
Never say bye-bye.
Okay, say bye-bye. Bye.